Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will show how we can create a app inside Firebase console for our Android app. So first of all, when you come to Firebase console, you will find so many projects. So you will select your uh, project from the existing list and you will enter on the list. Okay, then you will find existing app on the uh, current project. If you have any confusion, you can also ask the ChatGPT. He will give you the steps. Inside you will find a app plus icon. For adding app, you will select the Android and then you will provide a package name for your app. It's depend on you. You can select any package name and then you will you can provide a app nickname which will be shown inside the Firebase project console. So I am adding my project name here. Then I will click on register app. Then it will provide a Google. Then it will provide a Google service JSON file. I will download it. After download, I will rename it to Google Service JSON.json, and I will go to my project, and inside project there is a build file. Sorry, not build file. It's Android. Since my project is Flutter project, it's Android, and inside it in the app I will paste the JSON file and rename it. Bus. That's it. After renaming it, it will work and it is completed. For Flutter project, there is a folder named Android, and inside Android there is a folder named app. In this app folder you have to paste the JSON file. That's it, and then it will work. If you like the video, please like and subscribe the channel.